What's up guys, today I'm going to show you the progress we made of the shop.
So here's all the concrete we laid down so we can start getting the walls up whenever we get all this done. We don't have all of it done. You can walk on this, so I'll just walk on it right now because it is stable enough. And here's the bathrooms. And then I can walk over here. And this is the area we need to get the rest of the concrete poured in. It's all of the black. So now I'm going to show you guys the concrete being poured. So now I'm going to show you guys the concrete getting its unique shape. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.